Okay, now look at part D. Part C, you will do it yourself. I'm not doing it. You will do it yourself. Part D, 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. Equation 1, 3x plus y is equals to 7. Equation 2. Now look over here. 3x, 2x. I cannot cancel them. 3y, y. I cannot cancel them. These also. So which variable should I cancel? Now if you will get in elimination method these types of equation in which there is not a single variable which has the identical coefficient and identical variables, then what you will do, you have to work to make the coefficients identical. Okay, the coefficients identical, you have to choose what you will do and how you will make them identical. So here I have a choice whether I make x identical or whether I make y identical. I will tell you both the ways to do it, okay, so that in exams also and later also it will help you. 2, I will make first x identical. So if I will multiply this with 3 and this with 2, it will make my x identical. So I will write multiply equation 1 with 3 opposite coefficients. Okay, so 3 से multiply you have to do 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. It will give you 3 2s are 6x. Whole equation you will multiply. 3 3s are 9y it will give you, and 3 7s are it will give you 21. Name the equation 3 because this you have made yourself. You have to name it. Multiply equation 2 with 2 because we have to make it identical. 2 say you have to multiply 3x plus y is equals to 7. It will give you 6x plus 2 multiplied by y gives you 2y is equals to 2 7s are 14. Name it equation 4. Now I can see I have 6x, I have 6x. Both are same. It means I can remove one of the variable. I can eliminate one of the variables. So I will write whether I should add or subtract. Yes, here we will subtract again because both are with the same sign. So in order to have the opposite sign, I have to subtract equation 3 and 4. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is 6x plus 9y is equals to 21. And equation 4 is 6x plus 2y is equals to 14. Plus, it will become minus, minus, plus. It will cancel. Plus, minus will give me minus, sign of the greater number, plus 9 minus 2 will gives me 7y is equals to 21 minus 14 will gives me 7. Y is equals to 7 upon 7. Y is equals to 1. So I got the value of y. Now you can substitute, put value of y in equation 1. Now remember, when in the end you are substituting the value, please choose the original equation, whether equation 1 or equation 2. So I am choosing equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. Substitute the value of y. It's 1 is equals to 7. 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. It will give you, I am doing here, you will do it down vertically down. You will not do horizontally. 2x is equals to 7 minus 3. 2x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 upon 2 will give you 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is the solution set? Solution set is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. I hope this is clear to you, how you will make it identical. Now I told you that I have a choice whether I make x similar or whether I make y similar. So I will tell you how to make y also similar so that in exams also it become easy for you to minimize your step. Okay, let's look how I will make y similar, and in copies you can do any one method. If you like x1 you do x1, if you like y1 you do y1. Okay, you have a choice.